Hey guys, it's Braden here. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the hiatus. That's the first thing I'm going to say right off the bat. I am so sorry for not uploading. I mean, life has just taken me by storm. I've been so busy. As you may know, I'm president of the Durant FFA chapter, and it's just taking up so much of my time, but I promise you guys I'm getting back to uploading videos. So the new upload schedule throughout the coming school year is going to be every other Saturday at 10 a.m. Central. So this is the first video coming out. There will be another one in 2 weeks, and I'm just going to keep this schedule up, and then I might have smaller videos on Wednesdays or the Saturday after I upload, just depending on how I feel. But yeah, this is the first video, and in this video we're going to see a southbound Union Pacific gravel train, and then we're also going to see the Kiamichi Interchange come off of the Kiamichi Railroad track onto the Union Pacific Interchange track. But that's about it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go down, like, comment, and subscribe. I always enjoy reading your comments, so please just go down, tell me what you think. And also, don't be afraid to check out my Patreon. So, I'm just a high school student. I have little tiny jobs that I do every once in a while, but y'all's money makes a great difference in making these videos happen. So right now I have 2 Patreon members, Kenneth Hughes and Tulsa Railroad Picks, some of the coolest people I've ever met. So thank you two for just being real nice and helping me along my journey. But if any of the rest of you would like to come in, I would so enjoy being able to contact you more personally about what you want to see in the channel. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please go check that out. I'm also in the process of working on my monetization again. So as you may have noticed if you follow my Instagram at Red River Railfan, I was demonetized a little while back because of some issues between my bank and YouTube. So I'm working on getting that fixed, and as soon as that's fixed, channel memberships will come back. And as that stuff comes back and I'm making more videos, I'll be sure to release behind-the-scenes stuff for the Patreon members and some more behind-the-scenes stuff for the channel members. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider those methods of donating, and if not, just make sure you're subscribed. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.